Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to boost on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you'll get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link, then it will take you to this page where you'll have to select your location. Now from this list, select your location. Then it will take you to its homepage. Now once you're on the homepage, make sure you log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button at top right corner, and if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your login credentials, and once you have entered your information, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you have logged in, what you'll have to do is, first of all, you'll need to acquire boost tokens. Once you have received boost tokens, all you have to do is select any match that you want to place bet on. For example, I'll just select NBA, and then I'll just select this match. And once you're on this section, all you have to do is place your bet. For example, I'll just select this one, and on the right hand side, I'll have to enter my stake. Once you have entered your stake, it will show you a green option that says apply reward, that is your boost reward. Click on it, tap on the boost that you want to use, and at last place your bet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.